Hey guys, so I have a clip here. I'll just put it on the timeline. I'm just gonna take the audio off and you can see like how it looks. So to automatically autocorrect in DaVinci, just go on a color tab like down here. If you don't see the nodes button, it's up here on the right. You can add or no, it doesn't matter, but just right click and add node, add serial node, and just press this little A button right here. And you see, and you can press Shift and D to bypass the color correction that you did to see it. And now it's like in the timeline, it's auto corrected. So this is it. So that's it. Thanks.